Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Izzat Akasha bin Salahuddin and my matric number is 191688.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Kushair bin Shari. My matrix number is 194525.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Haziq bin Muhammad Zaki. My matric number is 192598. Okay, to start off this presentation, I'm going to present on the survey analysis. Okay, so in the last week, we already present some of the survey briefly. So I'm just going to go through more deeper into section C and D where it concerns our design. Okay, so in section C, we gave the respondent some questions or to give feedback on our design. So based on this feedback, we can see that most of the respondent actually think that the design meet the requirement for current market. So it's okay on the current market. And then they also think that the design is up to date. And most of them, 50-50 of them say that it's they don't know. But this is because in our respondent, most of them have no prior use of lawnmower and road cleaner. That's why 50% say they don't know. But other 50% that do use it say it's up to date. Okay, and then so this is the improvement that need to be made. There's some suggestion that the respondent did do, and this shows there are three main thing that they ask us to improve on. Most of them say there's no need for improvement, as you can see here, and some of them say that just one of them say that they need adjustment to the handle, so that it be more ergonomic and easier to use. And then there's adjustment on the wheel, which I actually do know that our design compared to the market is a bit heavier, a bit on the heavier side. That's because there's a lot of technology involved, and our design actually use commercialized steel, grade steel deck, so it's very durable. That's why the wheel is kind of a bit heavier compared to the current market. And then there's some also people that suggest us use diesel. This one we see only 1% that actually respond this, so I don't really think that we should change our fuel source from electric to diesel, because we want our design, we emphasize to make our product safe to the environment. So changing to a diesel can make the product produce more carbon dioxide, which is harmful to the environment. And since most other respondent, like the other 29, doesn't really express any concern on our use of electrical, I say that we should still go on with electrical power. Okay, and then section D. So this is the respondent rating for our design, feature on our design. So they think that our design is very safe, and then they think that the design is comfortable to use, and the huge majority of the respondent think that the product is better than current lawnmower in the market. So you can say that this product can be confidently be sold out in the market and can sell well. So this is how much they will recommend our product to their family and friends, and you can see it, most of them rate it at 4 and 5. Okay, I think that's all. Okay, continue on with Kuchairi. Oh, sorry, yeah, stop sharing. Okay.
So I'm going to explain and share the design here. So this is the design. So as you can see here, we are using blade which is length of 20 inch each. So it has the large cutting area for the blade, and for the sweeper we have one pair of sweeper, which is radius of 20 inch. So the reason why I only managed to design only the blade, the sweeper, and also the engine, because of the technology constraint that I have, because my laptop is old enough that it don't have the performance for me to complete all the design. However, this is the part that we are need to analyze, and I'm grateful that I'm able to finish it with the time. So this is my first time using the AutoCAD, so the detailed drawing is not very precise, but I think I did my best. If given more time, I might do it much better. So as you can see here, since we are using battery, so this is the battery box, and will be charged here, and we have the other part of the CAD design is still the same. So let's take a look. So this is where the rubbish will be spin and will go inside the, what we call that, the waste box, I can say that. So this is the starter. As the conventional using starter, manually starter. And we have blade here. So it's supposed to have a safety guard here to make sure that there is no stone that will throw away from this part. And here will be the wheel, the back wheel, the front wheel, and also the handle. But however, I'm only managed to sketch this due to the technology constraints. So this is it, our CAD design for Group 1, lawnmower and sweeper, as you can see here. So I think that's all from me. For because last week we already discussed that my task for today is to design, and for the next presentation I will pass it to Izzat Akasha.
Okay, now my part is can you guys see it? Hello? Can you guys hear it?
Hello, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So my part is the ANSYS analysis for the blade. So this is the solution that we have come up for the ANSYS part. So this is the total deformation for the blade. As you can see, the critical part for the blade is the tips at the end of the blade. So the maximum of the total deformation here is which is 8.4002 power of -5. This is the maximum. This. So as we know that in here is distribute the blade constantly. So next, which is the equivalent elastic strain in this blade. So as we know, the minimum for the equivalent elastic strain is also the tip of the blade, which is at the end of it. So which is 2.3014 power of -8. So this is the minimum of the part. Okay, so which is lastly is equivalent stress. So the equivalent stress for the blade is also minimum, which is 1877.3 for the minimum for this blade. So as we know, this is the suitable design for the lawnmower blade that we use in our design. So we are using the static structural for making the analysis. So the material for the part is carbon steel, which is strong enough to endure the force that swing. So it's suitable for the land mower. Okay. I think that's all for my part, which is ANSYS analysis. So thank you. Okay, I think that's all for our design discussion for the last week, which is week 14. So I think that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.